हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप सब? ओके, टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट द चैप्टर 6 जेंडर, राइट? चिल्ड्रन, डू यू नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ जेंडर? Okay, children, do you know what is the meaning of gender? Right? Say yes or no. Genders means ling. All living beings to one of the two genders, male or female. Genders denote whether a noun is a male or female. What does it means? जेंडर डिनोट्स करता है कि जो नाउन है वो मेल है और या फीमेल है, राइट? ओके, then kinds of gender. There are four kinds of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neutral gender. How many kinds of genders? Tell me. There are four kinds of gender. Name them: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neutral gender. What is the meaning of masculine gender? A noun that denotes a male is of the masculine gender. Noun जो मेल को डिनोट्स करता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर, राइट? A noun that denotes a male is of the masculine gender. For example, Sachin is a boy. He is my brother. What does it mean? सचिन एक लड़का है और वो मेरा भाई है. Boy and brother are the names of males. Boy और brother किसके नेम है? मेल्स मेल के, राइट? एक लड़के के नाम है. Boy and brother are of the masculine gender. So boy and brother is called the masculine gender, right? Then after we will come on the feminine gender. What is the meaning of feminine gender, right? Children, what is the meaning of feminine gender? A noun that denotes a female is of the feminine gender. Noun जो फीमेल को संबोधित करता है, डिनोट करता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फेमिनाइन जेंडर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रितिका इज अ गर्ल, सी इज माई सिस्टर. रितिका एक गर्ल है और वो मेरी बहन है, राइट? गर्ल एंड सिस्टर आर द नेम्स ऑफ फीमेल्स. गर्ल्स और सिस्टर्स किसके नेम है? फीमेल के. फीमेल मीन्स गर्ल्स, वुमेन, राइट? गर्ल्स एंड सिस्टर्स आर द फेमिनाइन जेंडर. गर्ल्स और सिस्टर क्या है? फेमिनाइन जेंडर है, राइट? नाउ वी हैव टू कम ऑन द कॉमन जेंडर. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कॉमन जेंडर? First we will revise. There are four kinds of gender. First is masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neutral gender. Masculine gender, feminine gender we have to discuss. Now we have to come on the common gender. A common gender, a noun that denotes both male and female, is of the common gender. Common gender means that noun denotes both male and female is called the common gender. Teacher, friend, baby, student, neighbor are of the common gender. टीचर बॉय भी होता है एंड गर्ल भी होती है, राइट? तो दैट इज द कॉमन जेंडर. फ्रेंड बॉयज भी होते हैं, गर्ल्स भी होती हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो द कॉमन जेंडर, राइट? देन बेबी बॉय भी होता है एंड गर्ल भी होती है. स्टूडेंट्स गर्ल्स भी होते हैं, बॉयज भी होते हैं. Like that, neighbor is also female or males. So common gender means a noun that denotes both male and female is called common gender, right? For example, Mr. Verma is a doctor. Then Mrs. Verma is also a doctor. So these are the common gender, right? The word doctor stands for both Mr. and Mrs. Verma, right? Doctor किसके लिए denote हुआ है? Mr. and Mrs. Verma के लिए. Both are the doctor. Thus the word doctor is of the common gender. So we can say that doctor is a common gender, right? Next is neutral gender. Okay, a noun that denotes non-living things is of the neutral gender. For example, he has a ball, she has a doll. Neutral gender means a noun जो non-living होते हैं, like doll, teddy. This is called the neutral gender. For example, he has a ball, she has a doll. उसके पास बॉल है और उस लड़की के पास क्या है? डॉल है. बॉल एंड डॉल आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स बिकॉज they are toys. So they are neither male or female. उनको ना हम मेल बोलेंगे ना फीमेल बोलेंगे. Thus ball and doll are of the neuter gender. So ball and doll are the neutral gender, right? Okay. So children, are you able to understand what I am teaching? What is the meaning of genders? There are 4 kinds of genders: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neutral gender, right? We have to discuss. so so it is all for today. Then I'm sending the notes of this chapter. We have to done in a grammar book or whatever. Okay, thank you.